Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all are good and preparing well. And in this video, I am going to share my RRB PO Prelims scorecard of 2021. And see this. This is my scorecard. And my name. And this is my roll number and registration number. And I belongs to OBC category. And I applied from Karnataka state. And these are my prelims scores. And I forgot my items, but I got 63.25 and the cutoff 44.75. And see this, I got extra 19 marks in my prelims. And also I cleared my mains exam, and also I was interviewed, but I was not in the final selection because of my mains marks. And these were my mains marks. See this. And the exam conducted in September 25th, 2021. And my name, my registration number, and my category. And I am applied from Karnataka. And these were my mains marks. And the cutoff score was 68.63. I got 72.19, just 4 marks extra. And in mains examination, we have at least 10 to 15 marks extra compared to cutoff, but I got only 4 marks. And last year, I was lost my marks in general awareness. That's why I did not get in final selection. And also, my confidence is I am good at reasoning, quant, and current affairs. But last year, I lost my marks in current affairs. And this time, I am preparing for RRB PO and clerk. And also, I am providing daily to-do list for that. And also, I will provide how I got 19 marks extra in prelims, and also how to prepare for mains examination. So join with me and make your timetable. And I hope this year we are all in final selection, and for that we have to prepare with confidence, and confidence is your best accessory, and there is nothing else you need. The only thing need to wear well is your confidence. So be consistent and confident on your preparation, and join with me and make your timetable, and I will provide the best for our pre and mains examination. And also, if you have any doubts about these topics, and also which test series is best for our pre and main examination, and also for quizzes, you can freely ask in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. So start your preparation from today onwards and make your timetable, and don't neglect your daily preparation, and be consistent on your preparation, and also give your best. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you.